Hello everybody, this is Katerina. If you do not yet know me, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist, and today I'm showing you most amazing gorgeous collection from Christian Dior. I do not have all pieces. Even you can go on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and you can see all pieces from this collection. Again, look at this beautiful eyeshadow, and this is its collection name, Dior Golden Night Holiday Collection. Again, it's so beautiful and spectacular. When I saw this eyeshadow palette, I just say one word: wow, wow. And when I touch this eyeshadow quality, it just wow. And I already have on my eyes. I just use this palette, but of course I'm gonna show you step by step how to use what I use. And look at this beautiful lipstick from Christian Dior. It's so pretty, and it's on my lips it looks more matte, but it's have like a golden shimmer cover. I wanna tell you, girls and boys, if you wanna give to somebody present, this is way to go. I'm serious, it's so beautiful, it's gorgeous collection. Holidays, it's coming, and I'm gonna do very easy eye look, and you can't go wrong with this because it's Christian Dior and it's quality amazing. I really want to show you these colors I just put on my hand, and it's a lighter color here, orangey, like peachy color right here, this gold color here, and this is such a beautiful khaki colors. It's right here, and of course it's a darker color. Quality eyeshadow palette, it's so pretty. This is color, it will be good for anyone. Okay, let's start. I will show you step by step how I did my makeup. I actually really like it. I look very special like today. It's not like every day my makeup, but again, this video will be very easy. Okay, let's start. Love you all. I do have already on my face foundation, little bit highlighter and bronze. Yes, eyebrows, it's there too. But let's put right now lip liner, and today I'm gonna use lip liner from Burberry, and it's color Garnet number 03. Then I'm gonna use from Christian Dior Lips Maximizer number 002. Will make my lips looks like very juicy, sexy, and like it's a lip plumper. And of course I'm gonna use this beautiful lip color from Christian Dior, and it's Diorific number 070, and look at how beautiful this lip color. It's gorgeous. And again, it's a holiday collection, Christian Dior, and I always knew neutral lip color looks the best on me. Okay, let's do lips first. I have lip liner on the entire my lips. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful again lip colors from Dior. Look at these details. I don't know if you can see or not. You can see like a little snowflakes on a lipstick. It's so pretty. And again, it's Christian Dior new holiday collection. To make my lips very full and more sexy, I'm gonna use lip plumper from Christian Dior 002. I love how this lip feels on my lips. Also, it have like little bit minty color. And now we're gonna do my eyes. And to do my eyes, first I'm gonna use LANCôME makeup setting mist because I feel a little bit my eye area dry. I already have eyeshadow primer on my eye lid, and I have LANCôME, but you can use any eyeshadow primer, which one you like. And again, voila, now I'm gonna use this beautiful palette from Christian Dior, and it's named Golden Snow 549. How pretty. Yes, it's such a beautiful palette. First color, which one I'm gonna use, this is one, whereas you can see CD, it's a lighter color. This will be my first color. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Really, it's a beautiful, like a shimmer. Oh my god, it is definitely like a holiday, very evening like texture for eyeshadow. It's beautiful. I have a blue-gray eye, but I feel people who has like a green khaki color, it will be even more pretty. This color again we applying on a corner of my eye. And now we're gonna use this. It's like a khaki green brown color. Oh my god, wow, quality. It's really beautiful quality. Again, we have only two color. We have lighter color, and this is its khaki green right here. If it's nomination for best holiday collection quality, I mean really quality, I will say this will be the best quality eyeshadow palette, shimmer eyeshadow palette, because I love how texture and quality this eyeshadow palette is shimmer, but it's don't show in any of my lines and wrinkles. I love this palette. Now I'm gonna use this color. It have a little bit like orangey peachy, and we're gonna use above my colors. We're making like a big number C. I cannot stop saying to you, please purchase this eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful, colors and quality. Oh, please let me know what next eyeshadow palette you want me to use and show you how to apply. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, Katya Beauty Style. Okay, and when I applying this color right here on top, I soft a little bit this look. But I look at my videos and sometimes I feeling like I do not put enough darker color right here to lift my eyes. So I'm gonna use this color to be a little bit more intense, more than usual. Now I have a small tiny brush and I'm gonna use this darker color, and I wanna lift my eye, and I'm gonna start from bottom first. Very small steps. It's gonna lift my eye and it's gonna open my eye. Now I know it's where is my eyebrow finish, and I need to little bit more extend this darker eyeshadow. Basically I'm drawing up, and now I will connect, like I feel in my bone and I try to go up. It's okay if it's not yet soft because we will blend. Now I'm gonna again use this darker color, and I'm gonna use close to my lashes and halfway. All what we do is connecting. We are connecting. Now I'm gonna use this color and I'm gonna use in the bottom. I want you to see how like lifts my eyes, how big my eyes. But again, now I'm gonna use big brush, blending brush. Oh, light, come on, go away. And now I'm just gonna blend. We have one more color, and it's a lighter color, and I'm gonna use close to my eyebrows for extra lift. Little bit on the corner. Yes, this is definitely golden night collection because it's so much gold and shimmer here. Also, I don't have so many videos. Please let me know which one is your favorite video. I want a little bit more gold on my eye. I'm gonna use a little finger. I'm gonna use this color on center, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on the corner. When you are applying your finger, it just colors go a little bit more intense. To finish this look, I'm gonna use my favorite Clinique eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, color black, and today I'm gonna use Chanel primer for my lashes and Christian Dior Overcurl mascara. And look at this brush. It's a curling, it's a curve brush, and it's really good separation, and it's also really linked to your lashes, and I like it because it's never clumps on my lash. For this eye look, I feel Diorshow icon Overcurl don't give me enough volume, and I decide to use second mascara, and it's Chanel Le Volume. It's supposed to be lots of volume, and yes, I really like it. Because again, we have a lot of shimmer colors. They're not like really neutral. It's really feels more color what I usually using. And for this eye look, please put lots of mascara. And don't forget to put also on the bottom your lashes mascara. For this eye look, I feel like wanna put little bit more highlighter, and I'm gonna use 02 Luminous Gold. It's by LANCôME, and I'm gonna put a little bit right here on my bone. Be careful because it's really pigmented. I put highlighters, but I'm not gonna put on my nose because it looks hideous. Don't look good on me at all. Even like all bloggers and YouTubers, they put it on corner nose, but I don't think it looks pretty on me personally. And for blush, I'm gonna use a brand NARS, and I have a mini, and I love this size, mini blush, and it's named Orgasm. I'm smiling. It's really soft color, but I love it because my eyes already have enough colors. I don't want to go with too deep blush. I'm really ready to go somewhere. This is definitely like more holiday look. It's not like your everyday look. Even for somebody can be everyday, but I think it's very special. Again, this is its collection. It's a holiday collection from Christian Dior, and my eyes look so pretty. Love you all. Please comments below, let me know what you want what products you want me to use, what palette you want me to use. And if you don't see something like, oh, I haven't, like, people tell, oh, you always using Lancôme setting mist. Yes, because it's my favorite and I don't see nothing better than this. Or you using constantly this brush. Yes, because I trust this brush. I love this brush. Okay, love you all, and the holidays it's coming, and let's get ready together. Again, this is Katerina, your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist. Bye!